The endgame of Big Brother 27 has arrived, and with it comes one of the most pivotal competitions of the entire summer, the final power of veto. Every year this competition decides the fate of the final four house guests and ultimately determines who makes it to finale night and who is sent packing one step away from the grand prize. Fans who have been watching all season know that the power of veto has always been one of the most important elements of strategy inside the Big Brother house, but when the game reaches its final stages, the veto takes on an even greater level of influence. With the final head of household already crowned this week, the veto winner not only holds personal safety but also essentially decides who will have the power to cast the sole eviction vote. This makes the Final Four veto competition one of the most dramatic and game-changing moments of the season. Big Brother 27 has been filled with twists, turns, betrayals and emotional highs and lows that have left fans debating strategies and rooting for their favorites non-stop on social media. From shocking blindside evictions to heated confrontations during live episodes, this season has managed to create a storyline filled with unpredictability. Now at the Final Four stage, the dynamics of the house have shifted dramatically as alliances have been tested, friendships have been broken and individual gameplay has taken center stage. The winner of the final veto not only guarantees themselves a spot in the coveted Final Three but also holds immense power to shape the final days of the game and influence who sits in the chairs on finale night. The Final Four competitors gave everything they had in this critical competition. The pressure was higher than ever because each house guest knew the stakes were life or death for their game. With only a few days left until the finale, every move and every decision matters more than ever. As the competition unfolded, fans watching live feeds and following spoiler updates were quick to share their reactions and predictions. The suspense was palpable as everyone waited to see which house guest would seize control at the most important moment of the season. Throughout the summer, we have seen dominant players rise to power, underdogs make surprising moves and showmances create unexpected drama. By the time the house reached Final Four, the playing field was balanced, with each competitor having a legitimate case for why they could win the game. This made the final veto even more unpredictable because it was not simply about raw physical strength or puzzle-solving ability but about who could handle the pressure of the moment and execute when it mattered most. The competition itself was designed to test both endurance and mental focus, as has become tradition in recent seasons. The final veto often blends physical obstacles with memory challenges, forcing players to recall key events from the season while racing against the clock. It is a competition that rewards those who have studied the game closely while also demanding a high level of stamina and determination. This season's version was no different, and according to spoilers, it was one of the most grueling challenges of the summer. Each competitor pushed themselves to the brink with the knowledge that a single mistake could cost them their shot at $750,000. When the dust settled, one house guest emerged victorious and secured their place in the final three. The results shook up the house and immediately shifted the strategic conversations among the remaining players. The veto winner not only saved themselves from possible eviction but also put themselves in the position to control the sole vote this week, a privilege that only comes at this stage of the game. As soon as the competition ended, the house quickly turned to strategy sessions, whispers and last-minute deals as everyone scrambled to position themselves as the best possible ally for the veto holder. The implications of this win cannot be overstated. With the veto holder now guaranteed safety, the final head of household loses some of their power and the dynamics flip. Normally the hoe decides the nominations, but at Final Four the veto winner holds more sway because they effectively determine who will be sitting on the block come eviction night. This creates an intense and often emotional week as house guests plead their cases and try to convince the veto winner that they should not be the one to go home just before finale night. For fans, this is the kind of drama that makes Big Brother so compelling year after year. Social media has been buzzing with reactions to the veto results, with some fans celebrating while others express frustration that their favorite player might be on the chopping block. Twitter threads and Reddit discussions have been filled with speculation about how the veto holder will ultimately use their power and what the best strategic move would be in this moment. Some fans argue that keeping the biggest threat in the house could backfire at finale night, while others believe loyalty and jury management should guide the decision. The conversations highlight just how critical the single competition is in shaping the final outcome of the season. inside the house emotions are running high. After weeks of being confined together, every decision carries personal weight and every eviction feels even more intense. House guests know that the jury will be watching closely and judging not only gameplay but also social relationships. The veto holder must now weigh the benefits of making a bold move against the risks of alienating jurors who could ultimately decide their fate. This delicate balance makes the final days of Big Brother some of the most fascinating to watch, and the pressure on the veto winner is unlike anything else in the game. This year's Final Four group has been particularly competitive and fans have noted how evenly matched they are compared to past seasons. Each player has demonstrated strength in different areas of the game, whether it be physical dominance, social maneuvering, or strategic thinking. The veto results may have tipped the scales in favor of one house guest, but nothing is truly decided until the final head of household competition and the last eviction of the season. For now, all eyes are on the veto winner and the power they hold. Looking back on the journey that brought the players to this point, it is clear that Big Brother 27 has been a season of unpredictability. From shocking backdoors to late-night blow-ups, the house has been a powder keg of drama and entertainment. Fans who have followed the feeds know that the gameplay has been relentless with little room for complacency. The final veto competition serves as the ultimate test of who has learned the most from their experiences in the house and who has the drive to push through to the end. With the results now revealed, fans are eagerly awaiting the live eviction episode where the veto holder will make their decision official. This moment will set the stage for the final three and give viewer a glimpse of who has the best shot at winning it all. Whether the veto winner chooses to stick with loyalty or make a cold, calculated move, the outcome will have lasting repercussions not only for the house guests still in the game but also for how the jury perceives them when it comes time to vote for the winner. As Big Brother 27 nears its dramatic conclusion, the final veto results have given fans plenty to talk about and speculate on. The game has been a roller coaster from start to finish, and this week is no different. With so much on the line, the veto winner's decision could go down as one of the most memorable moments of the season. No matter what happens, one thing is certain: the finale is shaping up to be an unforgettable showdown that will have fans talking long after the confetti falls. The suspense of the final days is part of what makes Big Brother such a beloved summer tradition. Fans invest in the players, follow their every move, and debate strategies as though they themselves were in the house. The final veto competition is a reminder of why the show continues to captivate audiences season after season. It is the moment where preparation meets opportunity, where strategy collides with execution, and where dreams of victory either live on or come crashing down. Now, with the veto results locked in, the countdown to finale night begins. The players still left in the house know that every conversation, every alliance, and every competition has led to this point. For the veto winner, this is their chance to cement their legacy in Big Brother history. For the others, it is a fight for survival and the hope that they can find a way to make it to the end against all odds. For the fans, it is the culmination of a summer spent cheering, debating, and sometimes yelling at the television. Big Brother 27 is almost over, but the drama is still in full swing as the season races toward its thrilling conclusion. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.